In a world that constantly tries to break you, a world that tells you you're not enough, you start to believe it. You begin to doubt yourself. You question your worth. And, slowly, you lose confidence. But here's the truth. You were not born to live in doubt. You were not created to feel small. There is something powerful inside you. And today, we're going to bring it back. Confidence is not something you are born with. It's something you build, and sometimes lose. Maybe people laughed at you. Maybe you failed. Maybe life hit you too hard. And over time, you stop believing in yourself. But listen carefully. Losing confidence doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're human. Most people think confidence comes first. They say, I'll start when I feel ready. I'll act when I feel confident. But that's a lie. Confidence comes after action. You don't wait to feel strong. You act even when you feel weak. And every small step you take builds confidence. You don't need to change your whole life today. Start small, speak up once, try again once. Believe in yourself, just a little. Because small wins create big confidence. Every time you try, you prove to yourself, I can do this. Your environment shapes your mind. If you keep listening to negative voices, you will think negatively, so you must protect your mind. Stop listening to people who doubt you. Stop feeding your fears. Instead, listen to growth. Listen to positivity. Listen to yourself. There was a time when you believed in yourself, when you dreamed big, when you felt unstoppable. That version of you is still there. It's not gone. It's just waiting for you to believe again. Say it with me. I am strong. I am capable. I will rise again. Rebuilding confidence takes time, but every step matters. Every effort counts. And one day you will look back and realize you didn't just rebuild your confidence. You became unstoppable. So don't give up. Keep going, because your best version is waiting for you. There will be days when you feel like giving up. Days when nothing works. Days when everything feels heavy. And in those moments, your mind will tell you, stop, you're not good enough. This isn't for you, but listen carefully. That voice is not the truth, it's fear. Fear will try to protect you by keeping you small, by keeping you safe, by stopping you from trying again. But growth does not live in comfort. If you want to rebuild your confidence, you must face discomfort. You must do things that scare you. Speak when you're nervous. Act when you're unsure. Try, even when you might fail. Because every time you face fear, you become stronger. Your mind is powerful. What you tell yourself every day becomes your reality. If you say, I can't do this, I'm not ready, I'm not good enough, then your mind will believe it. But what if you change that? What if you started saying, I am improving, I am learning, I will figure this out? Confidence is built in silence, in the moments no one sees. When you keep going, even when no one is watching, when you try again, even after failure, that's where confidence grows. One of the biggest killers of confidence is comparison. You look at others and think they are better, more successful, more talented, more confident. But you don't see their struggles. You don't see their failures. You don't see the years of work behind their success. Your journey is different. Your path is unique. And your timing is perfect for you. So stop looking at others and start focusing on your own growth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Show up every day. Do the work. Keep improving. Little by little, you will become someone you're proud of. One day, you will wake up now and realize you're no longer the same person. You're stronger, braver, more confident. Not because life got easier, but because you got stronger. Let me tell you something. You've survived things that once felt impossible. You've made it through days you thought you couldn't handle, and you're still here, still standing, still fighting. That means something. It means you are stronger than you think. It means you have power inside you, a power that no failure, no opinion, no difficult moment can ever take away. Right now, you have a choice. You can stay where you are, doubting yourself, or you can rise. You can decide, from today, I will believe in myself again. Say it out loud. I am not weak. I am not a failure. I am not done. I am growing. I am learning. I am becoming better every day. You don't need permission to believe in yourself. You don't need approval to chase your dreams. All you need is one decision, one moment where you say, I will not give up. Because one day, someone will look at you and see strength. They will see courage. They will see someone who didn't quit, and they will be inspired because of you. So stand up, even if you're tired, even if you're scared, even if you're unsure. Stand up and take one more step. Because confidence is not something you find, it's something you build. Day by day, step by step, until one day you realize you've become unstoppable. Confidence is not just about belief, it's about discipline. Because there will be days you don't feel motivated, days when you feel tired, days when you feel lost. But discipline says, do it anyway. What you do daily shapes who you become. If you wake up and give up, you train your mind to quit. But if you wake up and push forward, even a little, you train your mind to win. Your mind will try to trick you. It will remind you of your past. It will replay your failures. But you must take control. You must say, that is not who I am anymore. You are not your past mistakes. You are not your failures. You are not what people said about you. You are who you choose to become, starting today. If you want real confidence, you must rebuild your identity. Start seeing yourself differently, not as someone who failed, but as someone who is learning, growing, evolving. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up again and again and again, because consistency creates transformation. Strong people are not born strong. They become strong by going through hard times and choosing not to quit. So if life is hard right now, good. That means you're being built. From this moment forward, stop asking, why is this happening to me? Start asking, what is this teaching me? You need a vision, something bigger than your fear, something stronger than your doubts, because when your vision is clear, your fear becomes smaller. This world is difficult, yes, but you are not weak, you are not broken, you are becoming stronger every single day. And if you keep going, if you refuse to give up, then what comes next will change your life forever. At the end of the day, no one is coming to save you. No one is coming to build your confidence for you. It's on you. Your life, your future, your confidence, all of it depends on the decisions you make today. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. You can keep waiting, waiting for the perfect moment, waiting to feel ready, waiting for everything to be easy. But that moment will never come. So decide now, right here, right now. You have two choices: stay the same or change your life. You've listened this far. That means something inside you wants more, wants to grow, wants to become better. So don't ignore that feeling. That feeling is your potential calling you. From this moment on, you are not the same person anymore. You are someone who fights, someone who rises, someone who refuses to quit. Say it with power. I will not give up. I will keep going. I will build my confidence. I will become stronger, no matter what. There will be pain. There will be struggles. There will be moments where you feel like breaking, but those moments will not define you. What defines you is what you do next. One day, you will look back at this moment and you will smile, because this was the moment everything changed. So stand up, take a deep breath, and go again. Not because it's easy, but because you are ready. You are not weak, you are becoming.